I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but you're going to get a perspective of what I got to drive through just to get to my house. So hang on, here we go. I got a standard, and I'm trying to do some wheelings and videotape at the same time. So, yeah, check it out. Okay, got a little off track there, but we're still going. Mike, you can bring your shovel out tomorrow after I show you this video, and you can see what the hell I gotta go through here, buddy.